Here's a quick video to show you how to replace a battery on this BMW key fob. So the first thing you want to do is remove the emergency key. So over here, there's a rectangle button here. You press that and you pull out the key. So that comes out, and if you look here, right there, you just put your key there and you twist. So you can see the back cover is opened up, and now you just open it up, and there's the battery. It's a CR2032 there, and you pop a new one in just like that. Put the plastic cover back, everything should be smooth, everything should snap in place, and replace this emergency key. And that's it. Thanks for watching.